can you have a civil rights movement if you're a civil rights activist if you can't have at least some truth, like real truth?
This is not a civil rights movement. It's a way to enrich yourself. We've seen it this whole time. We've seen it on the right. We're seeing it on the left. There are people like Tamir Rice's mom who are really working for civil rights and working to find justice. But then there are people like Sean King, and he's not a civil rights activist. He's been on the take from the start. Get a lot of backlash from conservatives when it comes to some of these civil rights cases. They say, oh, well, I don't trust, the Ferguson folks, or I don't trust Tamir Rice's mom or whatever, Ahmaud Arbery's parents, because they went and hired this race hustler lawyer. They went and hired, and that guy has no credibility. He worked with Al Sharpton. And so I don't believe their case. Well, you know what? They hired the people who came to them. So show me the conservative lawyer that showed up at Ms. Rice's door and said, let me be your constitutional representative. I'm not going to charge you. Show me the conservative group that moved in with these people and said, let us march with you. Let us march beside you. We don't want anything from you. We want justice for you. It's one thing to criticize the type of people that take up these causes, but it's quite another to sit back and then ignore it and not even step in ourselves. What a wasted opportunity for GOP connected organizations to get in there, to be right on the ground when it comes to real justice, and to start building that trust with the Black community. As Chris is saying, Black people need to wake up, but what are they going to wake up to?